Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and this fantastic blanket is exactly what you need if you are a Phantom of the Opera fan or if you're looking for the perfect gift for the person in your life that is. It's a lovely size. I would say this is perfect for napping or cuddling on the couch. It is remarkably soft. I cannot get over how soft this blanket is. In fact, it's the blanket we fight over in the family because everybody wants it. It's so cozy, so perfect for watching TV on the couch or reading your favorite book. The image on this blanket is remarkable. It's so clear and so beautiful. You almost want to hang it on the wall and use it as a piece of art. So if you have a family member or a friend who is in love with Phantom of the Opera, this would be the perfect gift. I also think it's great for children. It's a small enough size, so it's not going to take up a lot of room. So adults or children will get this cozy, wonderful blanket as a gift, or this would make the perfect addition for your Phantom of the Opera memorabilia if you are a big fan as well. So I highly recommend this blanket. It's the perfect size. It has a beautiful look to it, and it's incredibly soft. And that is my point of view.